So today we will start with a spine twist. Spine twist is considered as one of the best for the lower ache in our spine, and it is very good for those who have sitting job. So in spine twist, the first important point of contraindications, people who have any surgery of spine, of thighs, knee as well as ankle, or any injuries, they should not do the spine twist. As well as the people or ladies who are pregnant, they should not do spine twist, whereas ladies who are in cycle, they can do it with the consent of doctor. Those who are suffering right now from loose motions, they should not do spine twist, and people who have hypertension or insomnia or sleeplessness, they should not do spine twist. The spine twist is a different kind of twist to the spine, where we really feel our side and the spine, they are actually pulling each other. So let's start with its process. These were the contraindications, and the process is like this. When you are sitting in this sitting position, the first thing is your left leg. Let me adjust the cam. Your left leg, first of all, fold it in such a way that your dorsal part of the leg is touching the floor. Another leg, what you need to do, once this leg is fixed, another leg, very slowly try to take this leg over the right leg over the left leg. This is a different kind of position for yoga. You will find you will need a Vajrasan practice for this, because one leg is completely folded and its dorsal foot is touching.
Can you show the side angle also so that we can see the leg position?
The floor. Yeah, sure. Okay, so I'll just turn myself here. You can see that now, right? It is like a Vajrasan almost, right? So I'm touching the dorsal part of the leg or ankle to the ground, and another leg is on this, particularly on the thigh. And now there are number of variations for this. Slowly, very slowly, your left hand touch it to the right knee, and you get something to hold now, and you can twist yourself very simply, and your right hand you can keep it on the left wrist. So here there are chances people who won't have a practice of Vajrasan, or people who are doing it first time, the chances of the muscle ache immediately. So for them, the immediate remedy is just take your both the legs this way and push them, blow them on the ground, and again they can perform the same. So it's very important that people who are doing it first time, they should keep in mind that they should not do more than a limit. So this is the way you can twist it. If you twist it more, it's a problematic. You should twist it as per your capacity. You don't overdo. Even if I could do hold the leg, don't do over the capacity. Okay, keep it. First time, very simple. Try to twist. Keep your eyes open. Observe the stretch you have in particularly the left wrist or left side of the lumbar. There are variations like you can also have the left hand holding the right hand, and right hand you can hold over your knee. So there are variations like this. A number of variations are there. These are the two variations of spine twist. Let's do it with the other leg. Again, what we need to do, fold your right leg now, touch the part of the ankle to the ground, the dorsal part. Keep your ventral part or heel touching to your thighs or the hip, and very slowly take your other leg over your thigh and be straight. Right hand try to touch to the left knee, hold it, and left hand very slowly keep it over the right waist. Be there, try to see as twisted as possible, but do not lean, do not be oblique, or do not have the angles. Try to have the straight vertebral column as straight as possible. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. It is also said that you can also have a complete breathing in this condition, hold it for 10 to 20 seconds, and then you can come back. There are two ways to do asana. One is go into the asana position, approach the position. After approaching the position, take a deep breath and hold it. That is one way. Second way is go in the position and be there for a long time with the breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Another way, another variation, you can hold your one hand with the another hand, keeping left hand over the left knee and holding the right hand with the right hand you can hold the elbow of left hand. That is the another way. So this is the one spine twist, special spine twist. Okay. After this, you can come back to original position and you can have a butterfly to free up your thighs, calf, and the pelvic region. Coming to the advantage of spine twist. The main advantage of this, it stabilizes the hormonal balance of body. So it is specifically meant for those women to be done not in the cycle but to would like to stabilize the hormonal balance. It is very good for them. It also increases the stimulation of cranial nerves, vagal nerves. So people who have lot of sleep, they can definitely do for it, and it will help to reduce a part of the sleep. Throughout the day they will not be sleepy. Again, it increases the blood flow as well as your blood pressure. So people who are suffering from low blood pressure, it helps them. This gives a health of spine, specifically for those people who are suffering from backache with the long sitting in job. This helps a lot. It also reduces the side fat, so definitely to reduce the side or lumbar or the tummy fat, this is being used. So this was a spine twist, special spine twist.